Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you an amazing banana oats muffin with no eggs or butter. This is fluffy, delicious, and is totally healthy for you. I usually would have this maybe once or twice a week when I'm doing my weight loss journey and I need, I'm eating cooked food and I need a dessert. I would usually make this. So I hope you guys like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment. Let's jump right into this. So these are the list of my ingredients, and they will also be listed in a description box along with the measurements. So I'm going to pulse some rolled oats into like flour, and this is what it looks like. So to a nice clean bowl, I'll be adding my bananas here. If you have those overripe bananas on your kitchen counter, you can definitely use those. They're nice and sweet. I'm adding some nutmeg and some cinnamon. I'm also adding some agave. You can also use sugar. Alright, but I'm trying to stay away from the sugar. There I am using some grapeseed oil. Alright, because we're not using any butter or eggs. Then I'm going in with the oats powder, and I am going to mix that well. So there I'm adding a little bit of whole wheat flour, and we are going to mix everything really well until they are really incorporated together. And I go in with my baking powder and some good vanilla extract. Alright, that is so awesome. So then I added some blueberry. Listen, I have to get my son to eat fruits any way I can, so I try to put fruits in a lot of my desserts. Okay, so it looks awesome. So what I did, I went ahead and greased some muffin pans. A muffin pan, and I'll be placing that there. Top it off with some oats and some crushed nuts. This part is actually optional. You can choose to omit that, but it looks and tastes absolutely amazing. So let me show you how soft and moist this is. Look at that, guys. Oh my gosh, this was absolutely delicious. All right, so I hope you guys try this recipe. Let me know how yours turned out. If y'all are new to my channel, thank you for subscribing. If you're already here, thank you so much for your support. All right, so you guys have a fabulous day. See y'all on the next one. Bye bye.